Fundrise App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how real estate investing has changed in 2025. The Fundrise app promises accessible property investments, passive income, and portfolio diversification, but is it really worth your money? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming real estate requires thousands of dollars or a complex setup. Fundrise allows users to invest with as little as, opening doors for beginners and experienced investors alike. One major advantage is diversification. You won't believe what happens next when you see Fundrise pools funds into REITs and funds, spreading investments across residential and commercial properties nationwide. This reduces risk and provides exposure to different types of real estate. Fundrise also offers transparent performance tracking. Users can monitor investment growth, dividend distributions, and projected returns through a sleek mobile dashboard. Automated reinvestment options make compounding simple and effortless. However, there are cons. Liquidity is limited. Funds are typically tied up for several years. Returns vary depending on market conditions, and fees for management and advisory services may impact overall performance. In conclusion, the Fundrise app in 2025 is ideal for investors looking for low barrier entry into real estate and a hands-off investing experience. While liquidity and fees are considerations, the combination of accessibility, diversification, and transparent tracking makes Fundrise a compelling option for growing wealth through property investments.